At Fusion Motorsport Fabrications, we are the alchemists of speed and performance. Nestled in the heart of Ontario, we are a beacon of Canadian ingenuity and craftsmanship. Our mission is to breathe life into the dreams of automotive enthusiasts through the creation of high-end performance parts that not only enhance but redefine the essence of exotic, performance, and luxury vehicles. Each piece that leaves our facility is imbued with an unwavering commitment to precision, innovation, and artistry. Our team, a diverse tapestry of the finest talent, is the driving force behind our masterpieces. We draw from the wellspring of their passion and expertise to build components that are as breathtaking in design as they are in function. At Fusion Motorsport Fabrications, we don't just manufacture parts, we craft legends. But our journey does not end with impeccable engineering. We are an integral thread in the fabric of our community, and we carry this responsibility with pride. As we look toward the horizon, our vision is not only to lead the industry, but to inspire the next generation of dreamers and builders. For every automotive devotee who has ever felt their heart race with the roar of an engine, for every enthusiast who finds poetry in the open road, Fusion Motorsport Fabrications is with you. Together, we turn visions into reality and drive the legacy of automotive excellence into a boundless future.